Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today we are learning a dua, that is dua for the male and female adult person when we are just to praying the funeral prayer. So we have to recite this dua after third takbir, because in this salah we have 4 takbir. The Imam, first of all, when Imam will say Allahu Akbar, so we will read Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika wa tabaraka asmuka wa ta'ala jadduka wa jalla sanauka wa la ilaha ghayruk. So then Imam will say second takbir, Allahu Akbar, so we will read Durood-e-Ibrahim. Then Imam say third takbir, Allahu Akbar, then we will start reading this dua. This is dua for the adult male and female. So I am reading this one, you try to learn and then continue to read when you go to pray the Salatul Janazah or funeral prayer. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم اللهم اغفر لي حينا وميتنا وشاهدنا وغائبنا وصغيرنا وكبيرنا وذكرنا وأنثانا اللهم من أحييته منا فأحيه على الإسلام ومن توفيته منا فتوفه على الإيمان. I will read again. اللهم اغفر لي حينا وميتنا وشاهدنا وغائبنا وصغيرنا وكبيرنا وذكرنا وأنثانا اللهم من أحييته منا فأحيه على الإسلام ومن توفيته منا فتوفه على الإيمان. So now we will translate this one. Allahumma, O Allah, maghfir, so forgive, maghfirli hayyina, forgive our alive, wa mayyatina, and forgive our dead, wa shahidina, and forgive us who are present here, wa ghaibina, and forgive those who are absent, wa saghirina, and forgive our young, wa kabirina, and forgive our old, wa zakarina, and forgive our men, wa unthana, and forgive our women. Allahumma man ahyaytahu minna, O Allah, whoever from among us alive, فَأَحْيِهِ عَلَى الْإِسْلَامِ, make him alive on Islam. وَمَنْ تَوَفَّيْتَهُ مِنَّا, and whoever from among us dies, فَتَوَفَّهُ عَلَى الْإِيمَانِ, let him or her die with Iman. So I read one time more. Allahumma gfirli hayyina wa mayyatina wa shahidina wa ghaibina wa saghirina wa kabirina wa zakarina wa unthana. Allahumma man ahyaytahu minna fa ahyihi ala al-Islam wa man tawaffaytahu minna fa tawaffahu ala al-Iman. O Allah, forgive our alive and our dead, and our present, and our absent, and our young, and our old, and our men, and our women. O Allah, whoever from among us alive, make him alive on Islam, and whoever from among us dies, let him or her die with Iman. Ameen. So we have to read this dua. So try to learn it completely and fully, and recite this one when Imam say third takbir, Allahu Akbar. So when we complete this dua, after that Imam will say Allahu Akbar, then we have to say Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. So this will complete our funeral prayer, inshallah. So we try our best and try to learn yourself and help your children to learn this one, and also your friends, so that they should do this dua, pray this dua, recite this dua, and get special blessings of Allah and forgiveness from the sins and evils and everything, so that we should get to the special place in paradise, inshallah. Ameen.